What's up, guys? Get some water.
Good. Right, good.
This is so cool. Hey, you guys are joining the seminar today. What's up? It's like you're here. Coach Jacoby right there. He's running it.
Guys, the next one we're doing is you're opening your hips up to the side and kicking to the side. Okay, guys. And try and push yourself on these. I want you guys to feel a little bit of, not pain, but I want you guys to feel tension. I want you guys to feel like it's being tight. I want you guys. This is where a lot of us lack flexibility because the legs don't naturally move this way. Yeah, good, Antone. Yeah.
Oh.
This is gonna help us get big windmill shapes. Start to be able to do X outs. And you can do it without your hands on the ground too if you're not flexible enough. But hands on the ground is gonna help you guys balance yourself out. Let's see. Yeah, guys, make sure you're doing both legs too. And I want to see you guys try and reach past where you can actually stretch your leg. So that's simple movements that are going to stretch my legs out. So cartwheel, just like, yeah, you don't have to do that, but like, yeah, I like to warm up by doing cartwheels. I do them on both sides too. That way, one side of my hips are getting opened up. That's it.
Yeah, very nice.
Here, I'll show you.
Stay on the line, guys. Nice, Austin.
There you go.
Whoa!
Yeah, a lot of us.
Great, Lewin. Very good.
Kind of just like get your body formed up. Everybody get a circle around the room. And pick like a square on the outside.
Excelente. Very good, Gina. Got it.
Here, I got you here.
Jeez. Yeah. Haha, nice.
Yeah. Anybody standing on their tippy toes?
Not like that. That would hurt.
I just popped.
Get some momentum out of it. And that's for all these stations. For this one, might be a little bit difficult.
Guys, focus.
You don't have to throw too hard on this one. I want us to really focus on jumping backward. And I don't want it shouldn't be a pause. It shouldn't be here. And then a backflip. I want it to be a fluent, like all the way, like through.
Together, guys.
Yeah. Where's the other top in there?
I'm gonna work on my sweet
Yeah.
Guys, there's some over there too.
Woo! Get it up, man. You skinning it. You're sending it like a back handspring. Oh yeah.
That's.
Oh wait, I think. Yeah. Wow, that's insane, bro. One day, I told you. I knew we did get it.
Alright, I'm gonna try it. It's just...
Yeah, Austin, get it. You. Get those hops in there. I know you got them hops. Yeah.
So you get comfortable with me, like,
Hey.
Good. How's that match? Okay.
Hey. Let's go. Get to your side. Yes. Wow, man.
I see the double,
You got it. Ooh, you're sending it back too much. Nice.
Also shoot the aerial.
Nice.
Like this. And when you get comfortable with that, I want you to push off your one-handed cartwheel. You're gonna drop your hand